In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make Google Chrome your default web browser on Mac OS Sonoma and later. Okay, first thing you want to do is go over to your system preferences right here, and you're going to click on that. All right, and then when it comes up here, you're going to want to scroll to where it says desktop and dock, and then click on that. And it brings up this all these options over here on the side. What you're going to want to do is scroll down a little bit more right there. It says default web browser. And then you're going to click on that and change it over to Google Chrome, just like so. And then go ahead and close it out. And now Google Chrome will be your default web browser on your Mac.